Did you guys get rained on? It's time to go trick-or-treating.
I have
a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a scary jester. You. Who are you, Kayla?
Nobody.
Come on.
She's a Sanderson sister from Hocus Pocus.
I am the pink girl.
You're the pink girl. Who's the pink girl? Audrey. Deku. And Ash. Oh, Kayla's a straggler.
Come on. Say happy Halloween.
Oh, scary. You gotta catch those Pokemon, Ash. You say thank you?
Happy Halloween.
The rain is starting to come down a little bit heavier, but the kids are gonna brave the rain. They're not gonna stop their trick-or-treating. They love Halloween. They've been waiting for this all year. Happy Halloween. What do you say?
Thank you.
Little rain never hurt anyone, right? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
What'd you get? Anything good I have to check? What'd you get? Oh, barbecue chips. Oh,
My glasses are starting to get really misty. Thank you, happy Halloween. Okay, the rain is really starting to pick up, so we might head back to the car and try to find some indoor places to go trick-or-treating. Ooh, getting rained on. Oh, they're looking kind of soaked. Look at that. Did you guys get rained on?